company. Animal company. Animal company. Animal company.
I'm the black guy
I went
behind
on
you.
the Travis Scott concert. Fire.
I'm here.
Godzilla monster.
Hello.
Wait, what's the code for a giveaway? What's the code for a giveaway?
Oh, no.
Hit him with double shotguns with ammo.
Give me one.
What's the
You know, once I die, I'm gonna get my stuff taken.
Yeah,
Hey,
it's
bro,
just
can you
glitching.
buy me the? Since you're like very skeleton wise and you probably have money, could you buy me the
There's like-
German Shepherd?
Ow!
The reason why-
Yeah, if we raise you up, can you give me it?
I'll give you that. Fuck everyone.
I'll give you that.
Yo, what's up, oh, he didn't give me. If I raise
didn't
you up,
even
will you
like
give
that.
me it? Will you give me the Goku? Oh, he ran away.
Oh, bro, I'm from the second class. Bro, you can see my.
Found out what happens when you make lava chicken.
Twin Towers, come off of my plane.
Delighted.
Anyone want to trade for a Galaxy suitcase?
Yo, look over there. Wait. Red. Look over there. Yo, treat me like one, G. Treat me like one, G.
Go
No,
Galaxy.
no, trade that suitcase for the Galaxy
And
one.
then go.
Because
I have it pulled up right now.
Okay. Yeah, but you
It's
can't have
already
it.
getting
Because I
smaller.
was at the computer. They did the first code.
Ocean.
Oh,
They did the
I did
first
it.
code. I was at the computer. I typed it and I was still too slow.
Yeah. Go back, keep
I was
eyes on
probably
it.
Take an extra.
Anyone want to trade for my Galaxy suitcase? Hurry up!
How often does he do
Who
codes?
wants to know how to go to the secret area? Who wants to know how to go to a secret area? I found it. Who wants to know how to go to the mod fence? I found the mod fence area. Who wants to know how to go to the mod fence?
What mod vent are you talking
Who
about?
wants to know how to go to the mod fence? Who wants to know how to go to the moderator
What's
fence?
the offer for my fart?
Yeah, he shut up. Oh, he's going hide and seek, so it might take a while.
no one wants moderator, I guess.
Who wants to offer for my fart?
I found it.
Hey, Green,
I found a
Green, look over
moderator.
there, look over there.
I found a secret
Hey, look over there.
moderator vent.
Oopsies.
Yo, dude.
The water seems to be doing just fine. Don't know why everything else is covered in lava.
My fault.
Can I get a rocket launcher ammo?
That's my thing. Broccoli last. I light. No,
Bruce, I'm in. Where do you?
no.
I must be the biggest one in Earth.
No. Give me my light back.
Guys, I think I'm the biggest.
Give it back.
Oh my god, I've got you outside of the map!
We're being third party.
Oh, guys, look up! I'm outside of the map! More exactly, I'm on top of the map.
Your free money. Where's the egg?
Nation grenade.
Oh. Let's collect everything here and sell it. Boom. Useful. Big banana. Plunger. Rocket.
I'm falling! I'm falling!
Is that all? That's all of it?
It doesn't need to be a gold one. If you come here, the one that went mining. Let me give you a protection.
Money, 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 money.
I got it.
Let's go. Go.
Thanks for the money.
No problem. I haven't talked for like this whole video. Bye.
Bye.